Hello friends, today we will see one-time pad cipher system. So one-time pad cipher system is also known as Vernam cipher. So it is the simplest and most secure cipher system. In this one-time cipher system, we have a plain text and we have a key together. So we add it using modulo 26 if we use character like A, B, C, D. We will use modulo 10 if we use any number, and if we use any binary number we will use modulo 2. So I suppose you are familiar with the modulo function. Okay, now it uses truly random key. So what does mean by truly random key? Random key could be truly or pseudo random number, pseudo random key. So in truly random key, the key which will be generated will not depend on any mathematical formulas, okay, and it will be generated key. This key will be known to sender and receiver both. The length of the key, the constraint here, the length of key should be at least length of the plain text. This is also known as perfect cipher and it is unbreakable cipher. The disadvantage of this cipher is it required as much as keys there is data to be sent. What it means, suppose we have to send 5 messages, we required 5 different key. So let's understand this cipher system by using an example. We have a plain text here and the plain text is high exclamation mark. So what we will do, we will take this ASCII value of H and convert it into 7-bit number. This is 72. ASCII value of H, capital H is 72. So this is the bit representation, 7-bit representation. This is the 7-bit representation of I and this is for exclamation mark. We will use key O1, comma, semicolon and @ So these are the 7-bit ASCII representation of these characters. So how to generate this cipher? This will be the cipher. We will use XOR. So you remember, you know what is XOR? XOR is if the bit is same, we will put 0. So if it is 0 0, we'll put 0. If it is 1 1, we will put 0. And if it is different, like 1 0, we will put 1, or 0 1, we will put 1. So let me solve this. This will be as it is 1 1 0 0 1 1. So this is our ASCII, this is our bits, string of bits. Either we will send this to the receiver or we will send this cipher text. So this is the way how we do encryption, and for decryption we will again XOR key with the cipher. So let us do again. So this key is known to the receiver also and this is sent to the receiver. So receiver will decrypt. So let's how decrypt. This will be the same. 1 0 is 1 0 0 0 0. 1 0 is 1, 0 0 is 0. 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 0, 0 1 1. So as you can see, these bits is same as bits here. So that's how you decrypt it. Hope you like the video. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you.